Hey everyone, today a new video about my plastic business, how you can see on business, and today I want to introduce you my apartment where I collect all my plastic bottles. Yes, here's more around than 100,000 plastic bottles in this room, so some of the bottles, how you can see on the left side, is still empty, so I need to crash them down, put it out, close them, and put on the right side, as you can see on the corner. The reason is why I can save more money for the transportation, and especially I also get more money from the recycling center, because I make their work already, so the salary will be more higher. Here for example you can see that I push them already together, and later I will put it in some boxes, like here for example, and then they're ready for sale. Another good example to see is I collect also big plastic bottles, because the value of the big plastic bottle is more higher than the smaller one, so that means that you get more money for your bigger one plastic bottle. So for example, for the 4-liter plastic bottle you get 4 mao. And it's quite a lot money if you get a lot plastic bottle, yeah. So yes, that's my own business in my boarding school. So you can watch my other videos if you're interested, and see you soon.